Alright, what's going on, everybody? So today's video, I'm gonna do another POV video with the DocRace kit. I don't know if you guys can really hear me because I have the windows up and everything because it's very windy outside, so I do apologize in advance if the sound quality is like a little, you know, shit. But yeah, I mean, I'm just pretty much in Mexico again. I'm finally driving my car. It's been a while. I've been going through a lot of personal stuff, so that's why I've been like, you know, not really posting on my Instagram or YouTube. So I just decided to do a POV video for you guys because I know a lot of you wanted to like hear how the DocRace sounded. So if you do follow me on Instagram, you guys know that I went from single to dual again. The only reason with that being is because, I don't know, with the single exit, I didn't get the sound that I wanted. I don't know if it's because of the muffler I had or what it was, but I don't know, it just didn't sound like the way the DocRace should, you know what I mean? So me and one of my boys, we swapped. So he gave me his VSR race exhaust, so that's what I'm running right now. But the single exit, I didn't mention it before to you guys, that single exit that I had in my car is actually a VRSF race exhaust as well, just modified into a single exit. I know a lot of people are asking for that setup, so I mean, if you guys have a VRSF exhaust and you want to make it to single exit, you can doing it that way, you know. But like I said, we're back to dual, and me personally, I think now it sounds 100% better because it is what I wanted, you know what I mean? So it's a little raspy, you know, because it's literally full straight pipe. I don't know if I want to put a resonator yet because it just sounds so fucking like aggressive, you know what I mean? Like it sounds like how a DocRace should. Like I feel like the DocRace is supposed to have a little bit of rasp to it. But I don't know, me personally, I just like how it is. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much the only updates I have for you guys. I do intend to make more videos. I just don't know what of yet. Because, like, you know, there's so many things that I have to, you know, just think about. But I do plan on making another walk around video for you guys because, like always, I always do shit to this car. You know, every week is something new. So I do want to update you guys on that. I'm also going to be making a video how to control your boost by your DME. So I'm not going to be using the GFB anymore to control my boost. It's going to be DME controlled. I'll show you. I'll make a little video on how to do that. My tuner is going to be way happier because he's been telling me to get rid of the GFB. But I'm not getting rid of the GFB. You guys can still use the GFB. It's just, this will just be a boost gauge now, which I know it's kind of like a waste of money, but it's whatever. At this point, I already bought it. But I will be doing a DME controlled boost now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like I said, it's just a POV video of me driving, just so you guys can hear how it sounds now. Like I said before, guys, I do apologize if it's very windy outside. It's because, I don't know, man, Mexico doesn't want to make his mind up with the weather right now. So it's a nice little road, you know, to do some stuff in Mexico. let's see if we can properly merge into a highway. I don't know if these cars are gonna be blocking me. It's a lot of traffic in Mexico today. Yeah, I'm trying to keep the talking to a minimum, guys, because like I said, I want you guys to like really hear how the car sounds. But damn, I'm just in love with this. Like, see, this is what I mean by enjoying my car, you know what I mean? Like, this is what I wanted. Like, every time when I'm off, I just want to enjoy the car. No speed tech kit will ever sound like this. That's why tubular is the way to go, man. So, if you guys wanted to know how like the DocRace sounds from like inside the cabin, look, I got both of my windows up. I'm already used to the rasp, like for the most part, from like all my exhaust that I had. So, but if you guys do like a lot of highway driving, I would definitely put a resonator. But even when you put a resonator, this shit still fucking drones a lot. So, I don't know, you just kind of just have to live with it. But if you just let up the throttle just a little bit, like, and you're just cruising and chilling, like, it's honestly not that bad. But yeah, I know that's kind of random, but I know a lot of people will probably ask me how's the drone with the exhaust, but you gotta expect that when it's a fully straight pipe system. So this is how my car sounds like inside the cabin, like with the windows up. You can still hear that T51 R mod clearly. I stopped recording because there was just way too much traffic. So now it's nighttime, should be a little less. So we'll see what clips I can get. But now you should hear the car more clear because there's no more wind like that, you know. This thing sounds crazy. Also, if you guys see a message for the washer fluid, I ended up removing that whole tank because it ruptured on me. So it's pretty much messed up. So I got to get a new one, and there's no way to code that sensor out. So I always get that message that the washer fluid is low, but it's actually not because I don't actually have a tank anymore. So yeah, it's ripped off. So I got to get a new one and then relocate that so that bullshit sensor goes away. That fault. The only other faults I have in this car are the airbags because of the Brom seats that I have, but I have to get somebody to code that or figure out how to do it because I tried to myself already with Pro Tools and it didn't like work out. So I don't know, I got to figure out who can code locally so I can do that. You can't tell me this car doesn't sound more aggressive. Like, comparing to Speed Tech, if you guys watch my other video, like, this is night and day difference. Like, I don't know, man, this shit is crazy to me. God damn. This is only 20 PSI. This fucking car is just going crazy. I want to try to get a better pull for you guys. Because, you know, I gotta take the opportunity. God damn. Bro, I definitely shot flames. Holy fuck. Yeah, let me get the fuck out of here before somebody calls the cops or some shit. Yeah, you see, I got that bullshit ass fucking message for the washer fluid. I'm telling you, that shit doesn't go away. I'm trying to. to put my radio setup in this thing because, bro, these tires are already spinning and it's only on 20 psi. Can you believe that? This thing is moving like crazy. The one thing I like about DocRace is that, like, low end, it just sounds so aggressive. Like, not even like full throttle. To be honest, I don't know if I'm ever putting that resonator because I don't know. I just love how this shit sounds. Like when I had the on 3 with just the VRSF raised, it was very, very raspy. Like, I don't know, it just sounded like crap compared to this. But once I put the resonator on for the on 3 kit, it sounded way better. But with the DocRace, I don't know, I just feel like the raps just makes it sound like freaking crazy. It's aggressive. On the highway. We got the popo. Bro, good thing I didn't do a pull. Guess the cops are active tonight. Bro, this is what I don't understand. Whenever I take this car out, it's always cops and state troopers. Whenever I'm driving the daily, you got freaking everybody and their mom racing, all the Corvettes, everybody's out, and then there's 0 cops. Keep doing these pulls in like shitty ass areas, man. There's only so much I can go. guys, I think I might end it right there because, you know, like I said, it's hot outside in Tijuana, Mexico. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the clips that I got. I appreciate you guys watching, like I said before. Please let me know what you guys want to see in the comment section, because it's hard to make videos because I don't know, I'm not really like a content creator like that yet, so it's hard for me to make videos. But yeah, like I said, I appreciate you guys watching, and stay tuned for more videos.
Got the cops now, call the ops out.